So guys, of course you have already read the description. So let's get started. It's heavy. So I'm going to leave. Watch me this. I'm gonna go to Korea. I'm gonna go to Korea. I'm gonna go to Korea. Well, me and my mom had this deal. If I'm gold medalist in our school, which it happened so quick. Who knew, right? It happened so quick, and here, we're gonna leave this country and we're gonna go to Korea and stay there forever. I'm gonna continue my life and my schooling there, which is my dream. It's not a dream anymore because I'm going. It's any K-pop fan's dream to breathe the same air as your Appa.
Gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal.
I'm kidding. I want to miss you guys because you're the reason of my happiness there. So, during this whole school year and my entire life. Thank you so much. Oh, this picture is not a farewell. We're gonna see what's inside. All are seeing the inside of my luggage. That's the right side, and here's the left side. Oh shit, I was about to cover it, but that's the left side. Right side, left side. That's the luggage part. Personal things here, and it's just a box. You know, just a box. And here's where my clothes are. Clothes. So let's check it out. So we're gonna start first this side. So you're shocked when you saw an army bomb inside, huh? Well, what I pack isn't actually clothing. I pack BTS stuff, yeah. So what you're about to see is all BTS things.
Yeah, now, I fooled you guys. La. Okay, let's go right here in the video.
Okay. Now that you have heard my explanation, definitely know what this is. Yeah.
Totally. Next is, ooh, we got more. Yeah. Oh shit. Look at that. Yeah. The light. Come on, light. Don't reflect on it. Oh, look at that. That's my body.
Okay, let's go. Paper bag. It's a plastic bag to begin with. And ooh, you guys know Macy's? Y'all guys know Macy's. So Macy's. I actually received this package from my tita at Chicago, and yeah, thank you. It's a congratulations gift, you guys. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. What's this? What's this? So I'm kidding.
Shit, I have to open this poster. Oh, wow! That's cool.
Start off, there's a poster, and it's a Love Yourself album. Oh, wait. Yeah.
I call you her. Cause you're my dear.
It's the L version. No, of course you can't see it. Bummer because of the lighting.
Yeah, I call you her. Her. You're my dear. And we got a poster. It's a poster. I know it's a poster. It's a poster. Read it. The wing tour. Am I gonna open it? No. We got more feet. Last. Oh, not last. That package. We got a wing tour. We got a wing tour. We got a wing tour.
Well, somebody put a beat on that? No? Okay.
Girl, speaking of girl, you're the legend. No. Another Love Yourself, which is the E version. Oh shit, I pressed the other side. E version. Is a love yourself. Yes, love yourself. Love yourself, man. Love yourself. And this is a version. Come on.
And what we have here, it's the You Never Walk Alone album. It's the green version. Oh shit. I'm ashamed of it. We got the all numbers photo card. I'm not gonna review every single thing when I open. Ooh, the Theo. Sugar. Where's JK? Can we see JK, please? No? Okay, no, fine, whatever. We won't see JK for today. Who says we won't? That's JK. And Chim. Jimin. Yeah. So dance is for that dance, but there's still the other side. See that side? That side? We're gonna go to there. What I got? So here's the other side. I'm sure you know this. And you'll see 3 of them stuck. Beautiful. Let's open it. We have to see which package. Which is this on my package? La. Extra large. Yeah. You see that? That's a sunshine. K-Books. I bought this from the Korean airport. Yeah, the Korean airport when we went to Korea last year. Yeah. So, ooh, dark and wild. Look at that holographic.
Shiny!
Can you see my phone up there? Can you see my phone? Yeah. Can you see my phone? Yeah. No. Oh, they're all beeping at the sides. Okay. Let's see what you're beeping. We have a Rock Monster photo card, guys. And the whole number. And oh, let's see. Oh, that's cool. Like a flap. Yeah. And there's the CD. So there's a warning. Can you read it? No, I'll read it.
Warning. Love hurts and causes anger, jealousy, obsession. Why don't you love me back? Why don't you love me back?
Dark American Waltz. I love this album. Seriously. German danger, guys. Rock Monster. Weird. Oh. And then that's J-Hope, Jungkook, and Jimmy. Oh, Rock Monster B. Yeah. The receipt is still there. Wow. This is a huge package. Another thing that my aunt from Chicago bought for me, and my grandmother from Chicago bought for me. La 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 la, it's huge, man. She bought me 2 albums. Which is 2 albums. It's heavy. The Day and the Night. Sorry. Hey, look at that! It's cool! Should I open it? No, it's too much. I'm just showing you what's inside my luggage. I'm telling you, I'm gonna bring this to Kobe all. We have some video stickers. La 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 la. So beautiful. Yeah, nailed it. I have a Rob Monster photo card again. Yeah. Rob Monster biases. Yeah, Rob Monster stands. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? There's, well, I'm talking gibberish. Yeah. Beautiful. It's beautiful. So you guys know my language. Big version of. You never whip alone. I've got a Kim Seokjin photo card here. Kim Seokjin? Where's those Kim Seokjin stands? Comment down below if you like. Genie! Worldwide handsome. You gotta feel that. Do you know someone who likes Kim Seokjin? Oh! Jungkook stands? Are you guys alive? Seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys alive? Well, I'm not. It's my spirit who's talking right now. My spirit.
Rings. I got sugar here. And it's signed by him. You gotta smell this, seriously. That's sugar. Sugar sign and sugar. Yeah. A cup of tea and sugar. Like sugar in it.
So here's the last thing. Hey, Jungkook stands. Wants this? Who wants this? Who wants this? I'ma give it away. Kidding, it's mine. So that's about it. That's about what's inside. I found 3 photo cards of all videos. La 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 la.
I'm just reviewing all the albums I have. Well, I'm still gonna buy more later afterwards. Where's that? Okay, I'll stop.
Here's a Girl Generation. The best album is their Japanese album. I don't know if it's different. See that? Okay, fine. Let's hurry. Kidding. There's no photo cards. Ooh, they're so beautiful. Dear Goddess, Joe Legends. And there's 2 CDs inside. You're gonna. Yeah. Pictures about the songs and stuff. No. Move away. Okay. And you guys see it, right? It's the third master. The fourth master hasn't been released yet, but I'm gonna buy it. I'm seriously gonna buy it. I'm ordering Face Yourself right now, and it's not. It's gonna come here like next week. It's gonna. I'll receive it by next week. Oh my gosh, my grammar sucks. Well, here's the. Oh, that's actually a tiny album about the VCR. There's 3 CDs. Cities. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, yay! Oh my god, that sounds like an alien. Here's it. food court is V-Hope. J-Hope and V. And Banzan 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 lol lol lol. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so I'll correct it. Let's see. Oh my god. This is heavy. I didn't even get a chance to review the summer package because it's gonna take too long. It's gonna take too long. And I'm just bragging about my stuff.
It's white. It's like, you know, wedding photo album. It's really about, I don't actually Yay! Oh! Who's a King Sung-ji fan? Who likes Kim Sung-ji? Who like it? And Taeyong fan, everyone! Ooh, two worldwide handsome people. Cool, that's cool. It's gotta be cool. And here is an envelope where you can send a letter to your number or like anything. It comes with a, you know, this stamp thingy. You can add like this. It's like the numbers, pictures, and the place. You can send the numbers when it's your birthday or any number. Only this one. Everyone only one. So here's the calendar. I'm not gonna use it in this 2018. No. Beautiful calendar. Beautiful.
It's up until 2019. 2019 Oh no, I thought it was. Shit. But I know it was. Wasn't it? Yeah, January. Right? Yeah, January. JK Day. It's not 2019. Is it 2019, right? Somebody just arrived at the door. Somebody this way.
Oh no, you'll see. You guys see.
So here is a planner. Was it? Yes, a planner. I thought it was inserted in the box, so when I opened it before, I kept tugging it, and I just saw that I showed it like that. Stupid. So yeah, we're gonna write the moments, precious moments, fails. There's pictures of that. Precious pictures of that. Precious moments. Wow. In here is actually a picture frame. You can change it if you want to. In here is the individual pictures of the members. It's inside, and I'm not gonna take it out. Sorry. In here is what I'm talking about. Here's the member stamps, and inside here is like a 1 by 1 or 2. It's 1 by 1, I think. Yeah, inside that. In here is the CD. I just watched it last night. I watched it like 5 times. It came with pencils. That one pencils that I'm not going to use because I'm not going to use any of this. Yeah. I'm gonna save it, or if I'm going to use it, I'm gonna keep things safe, you know. So right now, look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? So that's it. Baymax. Say hi. Say bye. I mean, bye bye. Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Oh shit, he died. So that's it, you guys. I fooled you. Well, I'm not actually gonna go to Korea. I just wanted to show off my albums, even though you guys don't care about it. Cause, you know, I will do what I want to do.
Gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal.
I'm laughing by myself, I'm weird. Well, I'm not actually gonna go to Korea, but we're gonna go to China in June, I think. Yeah, China. Gonna meet my classmate there. I'm gonna do a vlog. It's gonna be fun for me. I'm weird. So yeah, so shout out to Lord of the Hokage. I gave him a shout out to the video that I was filming. It's the second time, and oh my gosh, I was filming something and I posted it in my 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 messenger, and I said I was filming something and it was a dance cover of something. I look really ugly in front of the camera. I'm not photogenic. Shit. So, yeah, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you're not just subscribed. So yeah, this is a weird channel. Really weird channel. So if you have any video requests or anything that you want to see in my channel, comment down below.